Hello Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode we're taking a look at the Skottle by Southwest Disc.
This episode is made possible in part by generous supporters on Patreon.
In our last video we compared 3 single burner stoves, and in the comments of that video Jody asked that we take a look at the Southwest Disc Skottle and compare it to a popular Skottle. And when we received the Skottle, it is so incredibly beautiful, we think it deserves a review video all its own. The Southwest Disc Company is based in Albuquerque, New Mexico. It is veteran owned. They have many different Skottle sizes available, anywhere from 18 inches up to 24 inches. The one that we purchased is the 22-inch Trinity. A lot of their Skottles differ only in the handles that they have. The reason this one's called the Trinity is because of the loop handles. The Skottle is made of carbon steel. It is a 1/4 inch thick, and it comes pre-seasoned, ready to go. While the Skottle is relatively shallow, it does have a deeper bowl than a lot of other plow disc style cooking pans that we've looked at. On the bottom of the Skottle is the maker's mark and the serial number. And you can see the incredibly beautiful welds that hold the loop handles in place. They are absolutely gorgeous. Southwest Disc Company also sells 2 different propane burners. One is a tripod with adjustable legs. It is a 65 BTU burner, and they also sell one that has more of a ring base. Southwest Disc also sells covers and dome lids for their Skottles, and they also have a trivet that you can set the Skottle on. After receiving our Skottle, we ordered a cover and a trivet because we plan on using it a lot. For our purposes, we're not going to order a propane burner that's specifically for the Skottle because we already have this Camp Chef Pro 30 and we really like it. The 30,000 BTU burner is working perfectly with this Skottle, and the Skottle fits on top of it very well. The Skottle is not what you would call lightweight cooking ware. It comes in right around 21 pounds. In addition to being just downright beautiful, the thing that's really impressing me about its cooking capabilities are the smooth, ever so smooth surface of the bowl of the Skottle. Oh my gosh, it is just slick, slick, slick. And compared to several other types of both cast iron and carbon steel cooking pans that we've gotten, it has easily the smoothest surface that was easiest to cook with right out of the box. The flame is on the low side of medium-low. are some of the pros and cons of the Skottle? Pros are it's incredibly durable. This is a lifetime heirloom cooking piece. It is incredibly well made, nice thick carbon steel. The handles are welded on exceptionally well. The cooktop surface is slick and smooth. Over time, as you use it and care for it, it will only get smoother and more non-stick. What are some of the cons? Along with that long-lasting durability comes a very heavy pan. The price of the Southwest Skottle is very reasonable. The price of this 22-inch pan is $70. After receiving the Skottle and falling in love, we decided we should get a cover for it, and so we bought one of those, and for the 22-inch pan, the cover is $35. So together, the pan, the cover, $105. When paired with our Camp Chef Pro 30 stove, I think that makes one of the most versatile camp stove cooking sets that you can have, especially for the price. The disc and cover comes in at $105. Add in the Camp Chef Pro 30 stove and you've got another $100. So together you're looking at $205. When compared to other options on the market for the versatility and what you're getting, that is an incredibly good value. For me, the Skottle is 22 inches of carbon steel beauty. Another thing I like is that we went ahead and got the 22-inch Skottle because it is slightly larger. And while it's going to make it a little more of a challenge to pack, it's not all that thick, so it'll still pack pretty well, but it gives you all that extra cooking surface. It just makes it that much easier to use. Love the size. So again, thanks to Jody for bringing this product to our attention. Couldn't be happier. All our viewers, keep those cards and letters coming. We do read your comments and try to respond to all of them. And speaking of that, in the comments, let us know what you think. Do you think this is a good value? What do you see in the pros and cons for how you might use it? Thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.